This white cat is intently watching its owner eat, waiting for its turn to enjoy a treat. He's curious about the skewers on the table, stretching his neck out to inspect them. It's so funny to watch. He's dressed up and all dolled up with a pink bow and a pearl necklace, looking like a stylish lady ready for a party. This cat looks like he's exercising. He's lying down, kicking his legs quickly while holding a football in his paws. This cat is imitating the exact pose of the stuffer cat beside him. Let's see who's cuter. The corgi is lying down, being fed by his grandma like a little king. Definitely the most spoiled one in the house. He's wearing an outfit made from durian skin, both cool and funny, looking like a walking durian. The cat is very annoyed seeing a crawfish crawling in the house, both curious and frustrated, figuring out how to deal with it. He looks confused when another cat licks his fur. Didn't expect to get a free spa treatment today. He's clearly trying to avoid brushing his teeth, desperately finding a way to escape, but still being forced to do it. The white dog is hugging the cat tightly, not wanting to let go, while the cat doesn't seem too thrilled. He's sitting proudly on top of the door like a professional climber, observing everything from up high. The fake snake bit the cat's tail, and he jumped up in fright, hopping all around the house in panic. He's holding a flower in his mouth like a little romantic, ready to give it to someone special. He's sitting on a motorcycle with exaggerated eyebrows, looking very serious and extremely funny. He's climbing up to the sink, trying to catch his reflection in the mirror, not afraid to explore. The baby and the cat are lying next to each other in the crib, both being fed milk and enjoying it quietly. The dog is biting tightly onto his stuffed toy, not wanting to let go, determined to keep his favorite toy.